Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the XPMA indicator for MT4. This versatile moving average based tool is useful in determining short and long-term trends, providing traders with insights into the market's overall direction for additional confirmation of trading entries or exits. In this video you'll see how the XPMA works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The XPMA indicator is a MetaTrader 4 indicator that can be used with any Forex trading system or strategies for additional confirmation of trading entries or exits. It is useful in determining short and long-term trends, providing traders with insights into the market's overall direction by analyzing price movements using moving average calculations. The indicator serves as a confirmation tool that enhances decision making by filtering price action and identifying when trends are gaining strength or weakening, making it applicable across multiple time frames and currency pairs. On the chart, the XPMA indicator typically displays as a line or series of lines that follows price action, adapting to market movement to show trend direction and strength. In our version, it's just one line, as you can see on the chart. The indicator's visual presentation helps traders quickly identify whether the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation phase without complex interpretation. Color changes or line crossovers may signal potential entry or exit points, producing clear visual cues that complement other technical analysis tools in a trader's strategy. For trend confirmation, traders use the XPMA to validate the direction identified by other indicators or price action, ensuring traders align with the dominant market movement. Entry signals occur when the XPMA confirms bullish conditions with price moving above key levels or lines crossing in favorable directions, as we can see here. The line crosses below the price, signaling an uptrend, while exit signals appear when the indicator shows weakening trends or bearish crossover, as we can see at this point here. The indicator can be applied to both short-term and long-term trading approaches, with settings adjustable to match the trader's preferred time frame and volatility characteristics of the instrument being analyzed. You can adjust the moving average period, the MA type, the MA applied, and the volume factor. And also adjust the color to suit your trading style. The XPMA indicator is suitable for traders seeking a confirmation tool for their existing strategies, trend followers who need insight into market direction, and multi-time frame analysts who want consistent trend identification across different periods. Its strengths include versatility across forex systems and strategies applicable to any currency pair, and usefulness in determining both short and long-term trends for comprehensive market understanding. However, like most moving average-based tools, it may lag during rapid reversals, and it should be used in combination with other indicators or price action for optimal results. It also requires proper testing and customization to match individual trading styles and market conditions. You can download the XPMA indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how a moving average based confirmation tool can provide additional insight into trend direction and strength for more confident trading decisions. If you like confirmation indicators that enhance existing strategies, such as this XPMA indicator, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.